think it's a good idea to do this. Look, it's not even doing too bad. What are you doing? Double bag. It actually didn't do everything bad. It's actually doing everything okay. I think it didn't do anything bad. Let me check. One bag was okay. Whoops. Let me get another bowl. Really hungry? I don't know if we can do it at the same time, but open this baby up. You know what? Guys, I got some great news and some bad news. The good news is it's a great idea to microwave double bag of popcorn. But the bad news, the microwave have to be about, you got smaller microwaves than mine, don't do it because it might be explode in the middle. But your microwave bigger than mine, yes, do it. You can microwave not any more than 2 bags. Not any more than 2 bags of popcorn. It might do something. It might explode a whole microwave. So yes, double microwave popcorn is a great idea. You need guys to try it. Okay? Catch y'all later.